Hi everybody and welcome back to the Goodie Painting. Today we're going to be doing episode 2 of our pub classics, chicken escalopes. These were really popular when I worked in the pub. We used to go through loads of these. And I'm going to show you how to do them. We're going to do it a little differently and recreate it. There's your ingredients on the screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Okay, so here we have our ingredients. So I've got my chicken breasts. I've got my flour. I've got my egg wash. I've got some herbs, I've got some onion and garlic granules mixed. Got my breadcrumbs. And I've got butter and I've got lemon juice. Okay, let's get into it. So first thing we're going to start with the chicken breasts. So what you want to do is at the fatter side of the chicken, is you're going to run your knife through the center to create like a butterflied chicken. Once you got just about all the way through, start opening it up, and then with your knife, just let it run through and flatten out the chicken. Now when you got it on, you still have some thickness to the chicken, so put it in a food bag or in some cling film. And then we're just going to bash it out to flatten it and tenderize it. So either a rolling pin or a mallet. I've got a food mallet here. So I'm just going to, this is going to make the chicken an even thickness, but as I say, it also tenderizes the chicken as well. Once you've got that done, so we're going to start off with our flour here first. Now it's very important, season every stage of this when you're doing it. So salt and pepper in the flour. And then give that a quick mix. And now we're going with our egg wash. So here's the onion granules and the garlic granules going in. And also putting in half a teaspoon of mustard. You can use any mustard, whichever one you prefer. Give that a good mix. And now we go over with our chicken. So just going to coat this in the flour and then just dust off the excess. Then you're going to lay it in your egg mix. And then you're going to put it in your breadcrumbs. Make sure you get a good coating on the breadcrumbs, so pat it down, lift it over, turn it up, run the breadcrumbs underneath and over the top. And make sure it gets a good coating of breadcrumbs. Now that's done, so first thing we're going to make the lemon butter. So you want to put your butter in a pan, and on a low heat, just start melting it down. Be sure to keep this on a low heat. Once the butter's melted down like this, so now we're going to go in with our pepper. Now I'm using a good tablespoon of black pepper because you want it to come through. And then you can just add your salt to your own taste. So I'll give that a good mix now. And then as the butter comes to a gentle simmer, I'm going to go in with our lemon juice. And now I'm just going to whisk this for about a minute or so. You don't want it to go thick, but you'll see here, it's just slightly thicker than what it was at the start. So when it gets to this stage, take it off. And then we're going to put this in a jug or in a bowl. Oh no, sorry, we're going to add our parsley first. Then we're going to take it off and add it into a jug under a bowl. And then you're going to cover it and then just leave it. And as it cools down, it will thicken up a little bit, obviously, but it leaves it really nice for when the chicken's ready. So there I've got it in my jug now. I'm just going to cover one of these plastic tops. And I'm going to put that on one side. So now we're going with our pan for the chicken. So I've got a pan here and I've filled it just enough for a couple of centimeters of oil on the bottom. And when the oil's to about 150, 160 degrees, we're going to lay in our chicken escalope. So lay it in, and after a couple of seconds, just gently move it because you don't want it to stick to the bottom of the pan. This has been about a minute, so I'm just turning it around, just again, Make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan, and just check the underneath like I did there. The colour of the breadcrumb is your indication of when it's ready. So this is why you have to have it on a low heat, because breadcrumbs brown very quickly. So this has been in about 2 minutes now. So I'm just going to have a look. It looks right to me. So now we're going to flip this over and we're going to repeat on the other side. So now we turn this over, and as you can see, that nice browning on the breadcrumbs, that's what you want. And this is why you've got to have it on a low heat. So this is going to do the same on that side. Again, it was in for 2 minutes. Just check it along the way. And then when I turn it over here in a second, you'll see the other side, was the same as the first side. Nice golden colour to it. And that's ready to come out. So I'm going to transfer that to a plate with a little bit of kitchen paper, because these are going to go in the oven to finish off. So you're just going to repeat this with your other 2 chicken breasts. My third one's in the pan, get them on a tray, and when they're all ready, in the oven for 5 minutes at 180 degrees. After the 5 minutes, take them out, get your plate ready, and then you want to go straight on with your chicken escalope. And then you want some nice fresh rocket on the top. The rocket works really well with the chicken escalope. And here we have our lemon pepper butter. And we're just going to drizzle that over the top. And don't be stingy with the lemon pepper butter, because these 3 ingredients together just work brilliantly. And there's done. And this is how I served it up for my wife. Some nice chunky triple cut chips, the chicken escalope, a pint of beer. I mean, the beer's not for her, I'll take that. And there we are. There it is, served up. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Quick one. But give this a go. It's so easy, but it tastes really nice. I said the lemon pepper butter, fantastic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, give it a go, and I'll see you at the next one.